Imagine trying to understand a conversation in a language you don't know. Frustrating, right? Search engines face a similar challenge with your website. Structured data is the secret language that helps search engines understand your website's content. It provides labels and definitions for the information on your pages. This leads to more accurate search results and a better user experience. Implementing structured data helps present your information in engaging ways. Get ready to unlock the power of structured data. Structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a page and classifying the page content. It's a way of organizing your website's data for search engines. Think of it as adding tags to different elements on your page. This helps search engines understand your content and provide relevant search results. Rich snippets enhance your visibility in search results. They can include star ratings, product availability, and event dates. Implementing structured data gives your website a significant advantage in search rankings. Structured data represents information like product details, reviews, event schedules, and business locations. On e-commerce sites, it marks up product info for rich snippets in search results. Local businesses use it for addresses, hours, and reviews, enhancing local search results. For events, it marks up details like name, date, and location. Structured data also applies to articles, recipes, and videos, aiding search engines in understanding your content. Structured data is a powerful tool for boosting your website's SEO performance. It helps search engines crawl, index, and rank your pages. This leads to improved visibility, increased traffic, and higher ROI. Rich snippets enhance your listings, making them more engaging. They provide more information directly in search results. This entices users to click on your listing. Structured data helps search engines understand your website's context. This increases the likelihood of appearing for the right searches. It also improves your website's credibility and trustworthiness, leading to higher rankings and increased visibility. One of the most significant benefits of structured data is its ability to enhance your website's visibility in search results. By providing detailed information about your content, you're making it easier for search engines to understand what your website is about and how it can be useful to users. This leads to improved rankings and increased prominence in search results pages. Rich snippets, powered by structured data, play a crucial role in enhancing visibility. These visually appealing snippets provide additional information directly in the search results, such as star ratings, product prices, event dates, and more. This makes your listings stand out from the competition and attracts more attention from users. This increased visibility translates to higher click-through rates. Users are more likely to click on a listing that provides more information and stands out visually. This increased traffic can lead to more conversions, whether it's sales, leads, or simply increased brand awareness. Ultimately, structured data helps you create a more user-friendly website that attracts and retains visitors. Implementing structured data might seem daunting at first, but it's a relatively straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. One of the easiest ways to get started is by using Google's Structured Data Markup Helper. This tool allows you to tag your web pages with the appropriate structured data markup without needing to write code directly. It provides a visual interface where you can simply click on elements on your page and select the corresponding data type. Another option is to manually add structured data markup to your website's HTML code. This requires some coding knowledge, but it offers more flexibility and control over the implementation. You can use schema.org, a collaborative vocabulary of structured data, to define the specific types of data you want to mark up. Once you've implemented structured data, it's essential to test and validate your markup. Google's Rich Results Test is a valuable tool for this purpose. Regularly monitoring and updating your structured data is crucial for maintaining its effectiveness. Google's Structured Data Markup Helper is a user-friendly tool that simplifies the process of adding structured data to your website. It provides a visual interface that guides you through the process of tagging your web pages with the appropriate markup. Even without coding experience, you can easily use this tool to enhance your website's SEO performance. The first step is to select the data type that best represents the content on your page. Whether it's a product, an article, an event, or a local business, choosing the correct data type is crucial for accurate markup. Once you've selected the data type, you can enter the URL of the page you want to mark up. The tool will then load the page and allow you to highlight and tag specific elements. Simply highlight a piece of information on the page, such as the product name, price, or availability, and select the corresponding tag from the drop-down menu. The tool will automatically generate the structured data markup in the JSON-LD format, which is recommended by Google. After implementing the structured data, use Google's Rich Results test to validate your markup. Schema.org is a collaborative, community-driven project that provides a standardized vocabulary for structured data. It's essentially a dictionary of data types that you can use to describe your content in a way that search engines can understand. Think of it as a universal language for communicating with search engines about the information on your website. Schema.org offers a vast collection of data types, covering everything from products and services to events and organizations. You can use these data types to mark up specific elements on your website, providing detailed information about each element. For example, if you're marking up a product, you can use schema.org properties to specify the product name, price, availability, reviews, and more. Using schema.org ensures that your structured data is consistent and easily understood by search engines. It's a widely adopted standard that helps search engines accurately interpret the information on your website. This leads to improved search visibility, richer search results, and a better overall user experience. By adopting the schema.org vocabulary, you're aligning your structured data with best practices and ensuring that your website is optimized for search engine understanding. Implementing structured data effectively requires following best practices to ensure optimal results. One key principle is specificity. Provide as much detail as possible when marking up your content. The more information you provide, the better search engines can understand your content and present it in relevant search results. For example, when marking up a product, include details like the brand, model number, color, size, and other relevant attributes. Another important practice is to keep your structured data up to date. As your website content changes, so should your structured data. Regularly review and update your markup to ensure that it accurately reflects the current information on your website. Avoid over-optimizing your structured data. Don't try to manipulate search results by marking up content that isn't truly representative of your website. Focus on providing accurate and relevant information that genuinely benefits users. Finally, test and validate your structured data regularly using tools like Google's Rich Results test. Regular testing is crucial for maintaining the effectiveness of your structured data and maximizing its benefits. While implementing structured data can significantly benefit your website's SEO, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One frequent error is using incorrect data types. Choosing the wrong schema markup can confuse search engines and prevent them from accurately understanding your content. Ensure that you select the most appropriate data type that accurately reflects the information you're marking up. Another mistake is implementing structured data on pages that are not accessible to search engines. If a page is blocked by robots.txt or has a noindex tag, search engines won't be able to crawl and interpret the structured data. Ensure that your structured data is implemented on pages that are visible and accessible to search engines. Incomplete or missing information within the structured data markup is another common issue. Providing incomplete information can hinder search engines' ability to understand your content fully. Ensure that all required properties for the chosen data type are filled out accurately and completely. Focus on providing accurate and relevant information that genuinely benefits users. In today's increasingly competitive digital landscape, leveraging every advantage is crucial for online success. Structured data offers a powerful way to enhance your website's visibility, improve its SEO performance, and provide a better user experience. By implementing structured data, you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're optimizing for your audience. Throughout this essay, we've explored the fundamentals of structured data, from its definition and benefits to implementation strategies and best practices. We've seen how structured data acts as a bridge between your website's content and search engines, enabling them to understand and present your information in more meaningful ways. This understanding translates to higher rankings, richer search results, and increased click-through rates. Implementing structured data is an investment in your website's future. It's a proactive step towards ensuring that your content is easily discoverable, understandable, and engaging for both search engines and users. Embrace the power of structured data and unlock the full potential of your website. The world of structured data is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead of the curve.